Hello, hello, hello. I am making another fantastic quick recipe for you guys today, and it's a lovely masala matar paneer, which is matar is peas and in Hindi, and of course, you guys know what paneer is. After following all my recipes, you must know it by now. If you can't find paneer, you can make it yourself at home. I will leave the link to that recipe in the description below. But right now, let's make masala matar paneer. Going to start by finely chopping 2 onions. Heat a little bit of sunflower oil, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 to 4 cardamom pods, a couple of bay leaves, and then just stir and let it sizzle before we add in our chopped up onions and cook this until they are beautifully golden, which usually takes 8 minutes. And I'm going to prepare 2 to 3 garlic cloves and a bit of ginger, which I'm going to add to these beautifully golden onions. Stir and cook for a minute before I add a tin of chopped tomatoes. Mix it up very well and just cook all of this on medium heat. And now I am just going to put a lid on and cook this for another 10 minutes until it's beautifully done, it's all softened up and the flavors are coming in together nicely. Next go in all the spices, so just stir it well first, and then I am going to add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of ground cumin, and then a good stir. Mix it well, combine well, and then I am going to add in 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves, which if you haven't got you can skip it, but if you have got then please do it because it's lovely flavor. And next goes in a teaspoon of sugar. You can use a teaspoon of honey instead as well, and just let it cook for a minute before I add in 200 ml of water to this, just so that we have a little bit of sauce for our peas and paneer. Next we add in 200 grams of frozen peas. You can use fresh if you can find some, but right now this is all I have. Also going to add 450 grams of chopped up paneer, which is 2 blocks. A good quick stir. And I just want to mention here that in case you cannot find paneer, you cannot make paneer for some reason, then you can use some potatoes for this. All you will have to do is cook it for a bit longer because that will need cooking, or you can use already cooked potatoes and add it when I've added paneer with the peas. You can also add some chopped up carrots. But this is a recipe that I hope you will try. I'm just going to add one last thing before I serve this and plate it up. The last thing going in is 2 tablespoons of double cream, and that is going to make it nice and delicious with the rest of the ingredients. And here it is, masala matar paneer. And I'm smiling because I am just going to make some lovely lachha paratha to go with this. I am not exaggerating, it's pure heaven. Lachha paratha with this. I'm going to prepare the dough now and then prepare the parathas to enjoy with this masala matar paneer. I'm just going to add Now, I'm going to show you that as good as I might look, I'm still wearing my pajamas. How do you do that? Anyways, but for all purposes, I am dressed up and ready for the day for you guys to make this recipe video. I'm going to finish it with some fresh coriander, which obviously in this particular recipe is completely optional, but I love it so much that I'm going to add it anyways. And yeah, time to taste it. I've been wanting to make this for a few days, and I think the kids prefer it without the peas. I prefer it with the peas. So today I've gone for my choice. It really is so nice. I love matar paneer, and the sweetness of the peas and the perfectly spiced masala. You can add more heat to it if you want. But whatever you do, don't forget to give this a go. Give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll see you next week with a brand new recipe. Bye for now.